HumminGuru Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner HG01 Review. Real results you can hear. You drop the needle on a record you've been excited to play, and instead of music, you hear pops, crackles, and that constant background hiss that drowns out the quieter passages completely. You've tried brushes, spray solutions, microfiber cloths, everything. But the surface noise never really goes away no matter how carefully you clean. Maybe you bought a used record at a fair that looked clean but sounds terrible, or you inherited a collection from a relative and half the albums are covered in visible dust and grime you can't seem to remove no matter how carefully you wipe them down repeatedly. That heavy feeling of frustration sets in when you realize your favorite albums don't sound the way they should, and you're stuck wondering if they're permanently damaged or if there's actually a way to bring them back to life without risking further harm. Have you ever felt that disappointment when a record you love just won't play cleanly? Over time, that constant crackling and surface noise starts draining the joy out of listening to vinyl entirely, and you begin avoiding your turntable altogether. You spend Sunday afternoons manually scrubbing records one by one with a brush and cleaning solution, but the grime stuck deep in the grooves just won't budge, no matter how much effort you put in or how many different methods you try. Your collection sits on the shelf gathering more dust because the thought of another frustrating cleaning session feels overwhelming and exhausting. You've watched videos, read forums, tried different cleaning kits, but nothing delivers the deep clean you need without risking scratches or leaving residue behind that makes things worse. The worst part is knowing your stylus is grinding through all that contamination every time you play a dirty record, slowly wearing down both your records and your expensive cartridge simultaneously. The stress quietly builds as you realize you're either going to have to live with terrible sound quality forever or spend thousands on a professional cleaning machine. Then everything changed when I discovered the HumminGuru Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner HG01. Don't just pick any record cleaning machine, make sure it has 40 kHz ultrasonic cavitation technology so you never suffer surface damage from abrasive brushes and incomplete manual cleaning literally everyone complains about again. This compact unit uses high-frequency sound waves to create millions of microscopic bubbles in a distilled water bath that penetrate deep into the record grooves, dislodging dirt, oils, mold release compound, and decades of accumulated grime without ever touching the vinyl surface physically at all. The entire process is fully automated. You load a record, press one button, and the machine ultrasonically cleans it, then automatically dries it using an integrated fan system, delivering a clean, ready-to-play record in about 15 minutes without any manual scrubbing, wiping, or handling required whatsoever. The transformation is immediately audible the first time you play a freshly cleaned record through your system. Surface noise drops dramatically, background silence becomes genuinely black and quiet, and musical details you never knew existed suddenly emerge from passages you thought you knew by heart for years. You get 40 kHz ultrasonic cleaning that reaches groove depths brushes physically cannot access. Automatic integrated drying that eliminates water spots and recontamination risks. Built-in water filtration that lets you clean multiple records per session efficiently, and label protection that keeps your record labels completely dry throughout the entire process. One audiophile reviewer noted the HumminGuru delivered cleaning results remarkably close to machines costing 5 to 10 times more, with A/B listening tests showing measurable noise floor reduction across multiple albums tested. A serious collector shared how the unit rescued an inherited collection covered in visible mold and mildew, restoring records from nearly unlistenable to genuinely enjoyable after a single cleaning cycle without damage. I know the price feels significant compared to a basic brush kit initially, but think about it. One ruined stylus from grinding through dirty grooves costs nearly as much, and you're protecting your entire collection long-term here. The compact tabletop design fits on any shelf without consuming your whole workspace. To be transparent, it cleans one 12-inch record at a time, so large collections require patience and time. What's the noisiest record in your collection right now?
Imagine pulling any record from your collection knowing it will sound clean, quiet, and exactly the way it was meant to be heard without background noise robbing you of the music you love. Thousands of vinyl collectors and audiophiles worldwide already rely on the HumminGuru Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner HG01 to restore and maintain their collections with professional-grade ultrasonic cleaning at home every day. You'll hear the difference immediately. Cleaner grooves, blacker silence, and details you've been missing for years finally revealed. Full disclosure, the link below is an affiliate link supporting this channel. Check the description and pinned comment for current pricing on the HumminGuru HG01. Your records deserve to sound their absolute best again.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.